Daily life English conversation with handy meaning. Speak English fluently in daily life. Welcome back to Spoken English Without Fear. In today's video, we will practice daily life conversations in English with handy meanings. This video will help you speak confidently, understand English naturally, and use it in real-life situations. Watch till the end and practice with me daily.
Good morning, Bikesh. Wake up. It's already 7 o'clock.
Good morning, Mom. I'm still feeling sleepy.
Come on, get ready quickly. You have a busy day ahead.
Okay, Mom. What's for breakfast today?
I made parathas and tea for you.
That's my favorite. Thank you, Mom.
Hello, what would you like to buy today?
I need some vegetables and fruits.
Sure. Which vegetables do you need?
Please give me 1 kilo of tomatoes and half a kilo of onions.
Anything else?
Yes, I also want some bananas and apples.
Here you go. The total is 120 rupees.
Here's the money. Thank you.
Thank you. Visit again. At work, school, daytime. Hello, Bikesh. Did you finish your work?
Yes, I completed the report yesterday.
Great. Can you send it to me by a mail?
You'll send it right away.
By the way, are you free this weekend?
Yes, I'm free on Sunday. Do you have any plans?
Let's go for a movie together.
That sounds fun. Let's do it.
With friends, evening, night. Hey, Bikesh, how was your date?
It was good but a little busy.
Did you go to the market today?
Yes, I bought some fruits and vegetables.
That's nice. Let's have some tea together.
Sure, I'll make tea for both of us.
Great. By the way, don't forget about the movie plan this Sunday.
Don't worry, I remember. I'll be there on time. That's it for today's daily life English conversation with handy meaning. Practice these conversations every day. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe to Spoken English Without Fear. Share it with your friends who also want to learn English. See you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing and keep improving. Speak English without fear, and success will follow you.